All right, so now the video is actually saved into my YouTube studio, and I want to show you how to do that. So again, I am going to go to Google. I'm going to make sure I am on my une.edu account. Once I get there, go to the waffle, and I go to YouTube. Now, remember, it's going to take you to YouTube's home. So these, again, are videos that YouTube thinks you're going to want to watch, but this is not your channel. So you need to go back up to the little circle with your name and go to your channel. And now it's going to take you to specifically your channel. Do you remember I set up playlists over here? I want the video that I just created for you to come in the support video playlist. So the way I do that is I'm going to go now to YouTube Studio. And when I go to YouTube Studio, I'm going to go to Videos. It's now going to show me, this is the recording that I just did, recording 35. I can make it public or private, and I'm making it public because I want you all to see it. It also has any restrictions that I want to do. It'll tell me how many views, if anyone wants to comment. But what I want to do is I'm going to click on this, and then I want to add it to my playlist. So do you see those? Actually, click on this. And actually, I'm going to go to Edit Title and Description. And I'm going to say, this is a quick video on how to set up a YouTube channel and playlist. I'm going to save it. And now I have it clicked, and I'm going to go to Add Playlist. I'm going to click on the playlist I want it, save it. Tells me my playlist is edited. So I'm going to go back to my channel right here, your channel. And now, when I go to this channel called Support Videos, voila, there's the first video right here. And you can click on it and you can watch it. It's not going to let me watch it while I'm doing this right now. So that is how you put videos in your playlist. So now I'm going to want you all to get access to this playlist. So I'm going to go to your channel. Again, that's kind of like your home page. I'm going to go to playlists. Here's my playlist right here. I'm going to click on this, and you know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to see, oh, it does work. I'm going to copy this link because this is the link to my channel or to my playlist. And every video I put is going to be right in this category or this column right here. And then the more I put there, the more you'll see. So I hope that this helps you create some playlists and a YouTube channel yourself.